Hello friends, welcome to my channel Deepanita's Creativity. In this video, I am going to show top 8 types of organic liquid fertilizer for free. Number 1. Uncooked rice water. We eat boiled rice every day. For that, we rinse rice and throw away the water into the sink. But this water is very good for our plants. It enhances the bacterial growth in the soil. Take 1 part of rice water and 4 parts of plain water. This fertilizer has vitamin, calcium, potassium, zinc, phosphate, manganese, micro and macronutrients. So give it to your plants. This fertilizer smells less than many other fertilizer does, so we can use it for our both indoor and outdoor plants. Number 2. Cooked rice water. After boiling rice, we discard starch, but this rice starch is very beneficial for the plants. I have taken rice starch and added some water. Then I have covered it and kept it in shade for 7 days. After 7 days, take 1 part rice starch and sieve it. Then add 10 parts of plain water. This fertilizer has vitamin, calcium, potassium, zinc, phosphate, manganese, micro and macronutrients. Starch water is a source of energy storage element for plants which helps in their photosynthesis. Mix well. This fertilizer is used for outdoor plants only. And it is used only on a sunny day. Number 3. Used tea leaf fertilizer. We drink tea and discard the used tea leaves into the dustbin, but it is very good for our plants. If you make tea with milk and sugar, you have to wash the tea leaves 2 to 3 times by plain water. Then spread it on a dish and dry it in sunlight. After drying, you have to take 2 to 3 handfuls of dried tea leaves in a container and add plain water. Then cover it with a lid and shake well. Then leave it for 3 days in a shade. Then sieve it. Tea leaves fertilizer is ready. You can directly use it in your soil, or you can dilute it by mixing 4 times plain water and then use it. This fertilizer has nitrogen, potassium, micronutrients and tannic acid. For this fertilizer, leaves turn green. Tannic acid helps to maintain the soil pH and makes the soil acidic. So this fertilizer is very much useful for rose plants. Number 4. Banana peel fertilizer. We eat bananas and throw away the peel, but we can make a good fertilizer for plants by banana peel. Take some fresh or dried banana peel and add some plain water. Leave it for 3 to 4 days. Then sieve it. This residue can be used in compost making. Then add 4 times water. This banana peel fertilizer is rich in potassium. So we use this in our flowering plants. Number 5. Uncooked eggshell fertilizer. We eat eggs and throw away the shells. These shells have lots of calcium. So we break the eggs and wash the shells by plain water. Then dry it in sunlight. After drying, crush them. You can also use a grinder to crush. Then put it in a container and pour some plain water. Mix well and leave it for 3 to 4 days. After 3 to 4 days, sieve it. Then foliage spray or directly pour into the soil. Number 6. Boiled eggshell fertilizer. We boil eggs and discard the water. This leftover water is rich in calcium. After boiling, we cool the water. Then fill it in a sprayer. The eggshells release a lot of calcium into the water during boiling. We can spray in our vegetable plants like tomato, capsicum, chili, or any indoor and outdoor plants. Number 7. Onion peel liquid fertilizer. These are the scale leaves of onion or simply onion peel. We can use this peel for fertilizing our plants. We take a container, then take some onion peel and pour plain water in it. Leave it for 3 to 4 days. After 3 to 4 days, all the nutrients like phosphorus, potassium, zinc and some microelements are dissolved into the water. We sieve the onion peel liquid fertilizer. Then take 1 part of this fertilizer and 4 part of plain water. We can use this water to our plants. This fertilizer helps overall growth of the plants. It also increases flowering and fruiting. So we should use this fertilizer to our flowering, fruiting and vegetable plants. It is to be used on only outdoor plants and in a sunny day. Number 8. Kitchen waste liquid fertilizer. Take water in a bucket and pour the collected kitchen waste. Cover with a lid, then leave it for 7 days in a shaded area. After 7 days, there will be a bad smell. We sieve this. This liquid is full of nitrogen, potassium and phosphorus. So this is divine for plants. After sieving, add 4 times water. This diluted water is given to the soil of our plants. Do not use for foliage spray. This fertilizer is used all types of plants except succulents and cactus. This is used only on a sunny day. You can apply every alternate 7 days. You can use all the residue in your compost bin.